A large part of the typical construction site involves the installation, removal, and replacement of pipelines to handle drainage, water, and other utilities. The old-fashioned way of doing this is by attaching a sling to the pipe and then maneuvering it into the ditch. Though slinging is cheap, it is inefficient and unsafe if proper maintenance of the sling is not observed. A far better option is to use a Kenco pipe hook for these 8-foot sections of heavy pipe. It not only increases the job safety factor, but also adds a significant productivity to the schedule. The pipe hook, available in both a mechanical and self-balancing option, can be used for a large range of diameters as well as any shape of pipe. The mechanical pipe hook is available in standard models of up to 60,000 pound capacities. Simply attach our Kenco approved rig max to the lift eye of the bucket or machine. The operator can then use the manual slide located at the top of the hook to adjust the angle of the pipe. This gives full control to the operator for proper placement of the pipe. Self-balancing models are available in 3,500 and 9,000 pound capacities. These particular models hook up the same as the mechanical version, but have a specialized cylinder that automatically adjusts the weight of the pipe to achieve the proper balance point. Each pipe hook comes fitted with our Kenco branded elastomer pads to help protect the pipe from damage. Pads cover the section that contacts the lifted pipe along the inside bottom surface of the hook. Another pad located in the back of the throat protects the lip of the pipe when driving the pipe home. All of the pads are replaceable with the removal of just a few bolts. The pipe hook is designed for 8-foot pipe, but can be modified with a stop to receive shorter pipe. Custom sizes can also be fabricated for pipe up to 15 feet in length. Contact Kenco for details.